Welcome back, guys. In this video we will be fixing up our jumps, and yeah, here's what it will look like at the end. Stay to the end, and if you want my bike to stop sounding like a mini bike, help me get a new exhaust, so watch the end. Stay tuned for that jump. First thing we gotta do is go get gloves, because my hands are freezing and it's 37 degrees out. I'll be back. Bye. Okay, we're back with the gloves. Let's start building, because we gotta cover up all that crap. Let's get to it. We almost got her good. Couple more shovels and we'll be all good.
Hey.
Hello. Okay, we're back with our vine cutters, weed cutters, whatever you want to call them. Small tree cutters. We just gotta get these roots out of here. There goes one, and this one too. They're just really annoying. My sister just told me that there was a sign that was laying on the ground, and the chain on the four-wheeler's off, so I'll be back. Whatever. On both, yep.
Okay, so don't get any bugs.
1 second, wait. My gloves. The red thing.
It's on.
Nothing, go. Oh.
You can't do that, dude. Just put it in my hand. Okay.
You got it. The way that worked. Okay, guys, what's good? We back. We just gotta do one last thing for the jump. This is day 2, by the way. We just gotta remove most of that muck and stuff so it's not in the way. Then we should be good. Yeah, there's dog over there. Anyway, let's get to it. Hey guys, we back. You know, that is really slippery. Super slippery that I don't want to hit it anymore because I almost fell. This is part 1 of a 3 or 2 part series. Second part, we'll actually hit it. I don't know what we're going to do for the third part, but yeah, anyway.